You actually paid for that? Don't you get these teeny tiny samples for free when you buy stuff? I have so many makeup and skincare right now that I literally have no space to store them. So I skipped the boxy charm this month and got only this glam bag along with the glossy box and Ilio beauty box and Walmart beauty box that arrived this month. I think I have a problem. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariha Suhail and today we'll be unboxing my IPSY Glam bag for the month of June 2023. This month I redeemed some of my points. So I got this cleanser. Wow, that's nice. It's only partially smooshed. It's an aloe cleansing foam. It's a moisturizing face wash. Normally people say that we should use a gel-based cleanser during the summer months and a cream-based cleanser during the winter months. But I personally believe that we should use a foaming face wash throughout the year. And I'm really excited to try this out. Right now I'm using my Tula face wash that I got in my February's Elio box. And honestly, I was a little underwhelmed by it. But I'm really excited to try this one out. Then I got another product for my points. And this was supposed to be a soap bar. But oh my god, this is so tiny in size. This is basically an ancient clay soap. It says clove, orange, healing from the earth, energizing earthy soap. I hope you can see it. And it smells really interesting. Like it smells like a balm that we used to put on our skin to relieve the aching muscles. In Pakistan, we call it Iodex or something like that. So let's open this. Very interesting. Can't wait to put it on my face. I think this is where it's supposed to go. We'll see about that. So there is another bag, which is probably the glam bag. So let's open this. Oh, I'm so glad I got this bag this month. There were two variations. We could have gotten the yellow bag as well. I was hoping that I would get the pink one because I already got the yellow bag in July last year, which was also similar looking. Although it feels very different in texture, it has very nice mesh and it's very flexible. It feels like it can fit a lot of products in it. So this has a card inside. It says ready, set, play in here. And then we actually have some information about the products that are inside the bag. That's very nice. So let's see what we got in this bag. So the first product here is this lip oil. I actually chose this product. This is an Unfiltered Beauty Co. Pout Potion Lip Oil in So Retro. This is a full-size product and it retails for $21. This is nice. Actually, I have so much makeup and skincare right now that I literally have no space to store it. So I was thinking of skipping this month. And when I initially saw the choices, I was so happy because I didn't like any of the stuff. Like there was this cleanser and there was this serum and a mascara and a small little candle. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna skip this month. But when I got to the other half of the choices, I was like, damn, I need every single one of those. Like there was this very cute ice cream shaped liquid lipstick and there was this body scrub that I really liked. And then when I saw this lip oil, I was like, it's decided for me now. I'm getting this month's bag because until last month, I had never tried a lip oil in my life. So I chose this, but then I got a glossy box, actually an old curation of it, which was from August 2021, I guess. And it also had a lip oil from Cap Cosmetics. Actually, let's compare these two lip oils. So let me put this on half of my lips. So let's try this one on the other half. Oh. This is the worst way to open it. The formula seems better than that one. I think this one is a winner. I really like this one better than the other one. I think it's better to wear them with the lipstick on because the other day when it arrived, the cab one, I was wearing it on my bare lips and my husband just randomly passed me over a tissue paper and I was like, what is this for? And he said, you need this. You have got spit all over your mouth. Anywho, the next item we have in here is this nice body scrub that I really wanted. And I'm so glad the IPSY chose it for me because I could only make one choice. This is Frank Body Rose Chip Body Scrub and Cleanser. It's 2-in-1. I really like this. I recently ran out of my Away body scrub and cleanser. It was also 2-in-1 and I really liked it. And ever since after that, I haven't seemed to like any other body scrub. So I'm really excited to try this one out. And it says that the full-size version of this product is 250 gram, which retails for $22. So this makes it about $2.6. which is fine, I guess. So the next product that we have in here is this blush. This is from Seraphim Botanicals. It says that this is a pale pink blush that gives a natural flush to the cheeks and feels silky smooth to the touch. This is a deluxe sample, and the full version of this product is 4.8 gram that retails for $28. So this is 0.2 grams, which means that this is worth about $1.1. So very smart, IPSY. So this is how it looks inside the packaging. I only get nude shades, or maybe they just look nude on my skin. I don't know. So let's try this out. So, I hope it's showing. Nice. Oh, it's a little bit powdery, but I don't think my both cheeks are balanced. I think I like this one better. It gives me a completely different look on either side, like, oh, wow. So the next item that we have in here is this setting powder from Real Her in the shade I Am Convinced. And the full version of this is 8 gram that retails for $12. So its price turns out to be $3.75, which is really nice. The thing is, IPSY claims that we get about $70 worth of products in our glam bag, but for now we have got one full-size item that retailed for $22, the lip oil, and then the other product was $1.1, and then a $2.5, and this is $3.75. Well, let's make it $4. So I don't think we are anywhere near that $70 point. So this is also very tiny, but it has nice packaging. So let's see. The shade seems quite interesting. It might be a nice match, I guess. So it has a very nice mirror as well. So let's put it. Normally it is believed that if you have oily skin, you should use loose setting powder. And if you have dry skin like me, you should use a pressed powder. So I've been using a loose powder for a few months now because I got it in my IPSY Glam bag, the full-size version of it, and so far I'm really liking it, and I think this must be even better than that. And the last item that we have in here is this eye cream from Glow Recipe. I've been meaning to try this blend for such a long time now, and I'm so glad that this month I got it. This month I actually got 3 products from Glow Recipe from 3 different subscriptions. Like I got this cleanser in the glossy box, and I got this dew drops from Allure box, and this eye cream in this month's IPSY box. So excited for this. So in order to recap, I got this body scrub, this eye cream, this setting powder, this blush, and this lip oil. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and for other videos like this, please stay tuned. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. My nail is broken.